Got our swanky Mercedes GLE upgrade for our rental car. Pretty nice, pretty fancy.
Weed? Am I crazy?
We are in Portland.
It smells like weed.
Here's the Portland we hear about. You know how we like waterfalls. I had to stop and see this one. The base of the falls is this nice visitor center. Bathrooms, restaurant, hot coffee. Very handy for today. It's kind of cold. You got my hot coffee there?
It's very hot.
Nice. Let's see the sneet. How's the sneet? Taste good?
Crunchy.
Crunchy. Is it? So when the weather's nicer, there's 11 switchbacks. We made it up to, I believe, the second or third switchback. Now we're heading back down. This guy is taking pictures over here. Anyway, switchbacks are down this way. Since Sky has her hiking boots on, we're gonna head on back down to the car. Salvage my knee as well. All right, we're out for a little morning hike in Hood River. That's where we spent the night before we head up to Timberline Lodge later tomorrow. What do you think? We gonna get run over? No. No? Oh, you were smart and you took your coffee. That's a hiking coffee.
It is, and it's warming my hands.
Nice. Here we are, literally at the end of the trail. Now we gotta turn around and go back down the old pipeline. Some of this pipeline is the old wood pipeline. Crazy how they made that back then, back in the day, with wood. Is that a mossy tree? Here we are at the Timberline Lodge. Go ahead and tell us the history about this. Built in 1937.
Yes, it was in the movie The Shining with Janet Nicholson.
The original Shining. And then there was another one made for TV that was used the other hotel, the Stanley, right?
Yeah.
In Colorado?
No. It was the same movie.
Right. Same movie, but the one made for TV used the Stanley. And this one used this was Kubrick. Stanley Kubrick.
Look at you showing off.
Yeah,
Smart bastard.
well, I read stuff on the internet, you know. Internet knows everything.
How are you doing? I guess we're checking in.
So here's GB and Tracy's room at Timberline Lodge. Our room's not ready just yet. Here's the master suite. What else we got? That's about it, right?
We had a bed. Let's go to the bar and have a drink.
Well, we need to get our
How long are we here?
48 hours. 48 hours.
Wait, one
You can't make that up, can you?
What are you doing with the wine? Are you trying to take our wine? Here's Chad and Sky's room.
Here's pretty out there. I bet that's gonna be pretty in the morning too.
Yeah. This room has quite the view.
Oh.
Did you want extra food?
That was kind of deep out here, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I think the canoe. So they're.
It's a little deep out there. A little deep. I like it. door latches and hardware was made on site in 1937. Pretty cool. Wow, this old school desk is really cool. Some more of the hardware. Old school. Including this door hardware and even the light switch. What kind of aquarium you guys are in? What's going on out there?
Isn't that cool?
Yes. Our car's down there somewhere.
Yeah, it looks like tomorrow we're gonna have a little bit of snow, huh?
Oh, we didn't put our windshield wiper blades out.
Oh, Sky.
Red or white?
They got them out.
Awesome. I love it.
Sauce.
It's sauce, baby.
How's it taste?
These are huge.
Hi, my name is Jan.
Jan, good to meet you.
So you've not been to Timberline before, so are you out of the area?
Yeah, we're from Dallas.
Oh, for heaven's sakes. How nice. Welcome to Oregon. I was thinking I would show you on the map where we're going, but you're never going to have to find it again, so I'll just take you there.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll take you. We're good. Taco cabin in the woods where the taco's really good. If you ski or snowboard by, give the food a try. Chicken, beef, and veggie too. We have got them all for you. And a drink to wash them down. At Lock Point they are found.
Nice.
Yay! Taco's wild. You made our day, you guys.
That's
Have fun.
fun.
You made
Thank
our
you.
day.
Yeah.
Safe travels tomorrow, you guys.
Thank you so much.
Great.
All right, here we are in the taco cabin. With a nice warm fire. What you got there?
Look here.
Oh, very cool. Named after the snowcat.
You want to sit?
No. And then make sure you like get it tight.
And I was kind of like, not, but no.
Do that. And then,
I got one. That's pretty good.
That's a lot of ducks.
That's a lot. Yeah, Jack's girlfriend.
And there's a couple of bears.
someone is gonna come down here after we leave, and they're gonna be like, "Oh my God, this is the best thing ever."
That's cute.
Okay. Wait.
Pacific West Coast. Here we are at Ecola State Park. Pretty nice parking lot. Costs $5 to park. And there's like a little automated thing. You can use your credit card. Actually, you have to use a credit card. They don't take cash. There's a little plaque about the Goonies being filmed here. Some parts of the trail are a little muddy, but it seems like there's some little bypasses on most of the muddy spots so far anyway. Here comes Sky out the other side. Very nicely done, especially with those shoes. So we haven't made it even halfway. It's 2 miles in, then 2 miles back. We haven't even made it a mile yet, and we're getting into stuff like this. And I have a bad knee, and I'm afraid once we get down further, it's gonna be, we've been doing nothing but uphill at this point. So now we're gonna go, I think we're turning around, going back to the car, unfortunately, and It's pretty steep. It's been steep up the whole time, so now it's going to be down. I don't have my hiking poles. Sky doesn't have the right shoes.
There's nothing wrong with my shoes.
Yeah. Okay. We'll see. Hopefully we'll make it down without any issues. It is beautiful out here. It's one spot where you don't want to fall off of, right? You don't like me close to that slippery edge to the bottom of nowhere? Okay. Too bad we have to go back because I didn't bring my hiking sticks. This is my hiking stick. It's pretty fancy. We're almost back out to the parking lot. This is basically the beginning of the trail from the first parking lot into the state park. Now we're at the second parking lot and overlooks the ocean here. So this is where the trail leads from the second parking lot. This is where we would have come out if we kept going. You can see right here to Ecola Point, which is where we started on the other parking lot. It's 1.5 miles from here. And then down this way is the beach access. Here's where some fresh water meets some salt water.